love sharing good news, so when someone says something great about us and experiences our 5-star service, well, we have to share it. And that's just one happy experience with our business. It's wonderful to receive positive online reviews like this one. We enjoy sharing them with everyone. It's extremely encouraging and validating. Plus, it's a great testament of our commitment to satisfaction. But please don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll discover the difference for yourself. Attention to detail and unmatched quality are our specialties. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. We hope to see you soon.